Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put XDC on Ledger Nano X. First, ensure your Ledger Nano X firmware is fully updated to the latest version for optimal security and compatibility. Next, open Ledger Live and install the Ethereum app onto your device. This is a crucial step as XDC is an ERC20 compatible token. Finally, connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the provided USB cable and unlock it with your PIN. Now let's add your XDC account. Navigate to the My Ether Wallet or MU web interface in your browser. Once there, select the Access My Wallet option and choose Hardware Wallet, then Ledger. Connect your Ledger device, ensure the Ethereum app is open on it, and follow the on-screen prompts to unlock and connect. This will allow MEW to interact securely with your Ledger Nano X. With your Ledger connected to MEW, you will see your XDC address displayed. This is your unique public address for receiving XDC tokens. Carefully copy this address, ensuring every character is correct. Then, go to your exchange or existing wallet where your XDC tokens are currently held. Initiate a withdrawal or send transaction, pasting your copied Ledger XDC address as the destination. Always double-check the address before confirming the transaction. After sending your XDC, it's important to verify the transaction. You can use a blockchain explorer for the XDC network, pasting your Ledger address to see incoming transactions. Once confirmed on the blockchain, your XDC balance will be visible within the My Ether Wallet interface when your Ledger Nano X is connected. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your secure XDC storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.